Many new homeowners who recently purchased within the last year or two have found themselves in a position where their property values have drastically increased. In fact, most markets across the country have experienced explosive growth within the last few years, and home prices are continuing to rise. Some of you may be thinking, should I sell my home and take advantage of this increase in equity? Well, before you do, here's something to consider. Hi everyone, it's Cornelius Jackson with CLJ Realty Group. Chances are, if you sell your home a little too quickly, you may have to pay capital gains. This means you have to pay an additional tax on your net proceeds according to your marital status and tax bracket if you lived in your home as your primary residence for less than 2 out of the last 5 years. In order to reduce or eliminate the amount you owe on capital gains, you can take advantage of a 1031 exchange. This process allows the homeowner to exchange property and defer paying federal and state capital gain taxes if they purchase a LikeKind Property. In other words, the funds never hit your personal account, but rather are held by a third party. Those funds are then allocated towards the purchase of your replacement property. However, there are certain restrictions on conducting a 1031 exchange, including reduced timeframes to find and close on your replacement property. If you are interested in learning more and taking advantage of a 1031 exchange to sell your property and purchase your new one, let's get in touch. I also recommend speaking with your tax professional to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.